last video, I was talking about the SheWee and yeah, so the problems I had with it. Right, many fuck ups. So I was looking into other designs and I found the PStyle, and that seems like a much better design picture. Yeah, so it's like this spoon sort of thing, right? You know, you got a spoon and it's got a cup at the end to stop the spillage. Yeah, and it's open at the top, which is how I would have designed it, because that means you can wipe through it, you know, with toilet paper, leaves, whatever. So it's more hygienic as well, it makes more sense. But the problem is, when I was looking online for like where to order one of these, it's only available for $65 in New Zealand. Yeah, not cool. And if you order from the actual website, the shipping itself has got a lot of money, so it stacks on. So I was trying to make like a bootlegged made in New Zealand version, you know. And this is the design I came up with. So this is just from a juice bottle. It's a homegrown brand in New Zealand. And so I discovered that, you know, you want like a very tight round top of the bottle, and then you just sort of draw this shape on the outside, right? So I just drew it very big and then trimmed it down, and you want a straight edge. If you squeeze it, it turns into that spoon shape. So you use it and you just hold it like that. It really works. I've tested this one. Don't worry, it's clean. Yeah, so it's like, you see the edge. I've sort of cut it down like that, so that creates that spoon shape sort of for you to sit in. Yeah, so this is a prototype, and I've got another one. Got another bottle, I mean. And I chose this specifically for that shape, so you've got that curved shape. So if you compare it, this one's a little bit more curved, so it's even more like the shape we want. This is also a straighter, longer bottle, so I could extend it a little bit, then it's even less splashback, and I'll take you through that process. I've drawn 2 templates using this little prototype, and I'm gonna attempt to make 2 from the same bottle. You want to give yourself like lots of room to adjust the shape. If it's asymmetrical or something, you're gonna want to fix it. Yeah, so you're gonna want a craft knife and just a pair of scissors.
Okay, so let's try on this side. Stab. Oops, computer screen turned off. Okay. Stab.
Also, don't forget that you're gonna need some room to make it smoother. So you're going to use your scissors and go around the edge after the knife, so it's not, you know. The curved bit out. Nope, not coming out. Right, so here's our shape. The way I would do it, the way I did it first, is you make it big and then you test it out, and then you figure out, okay, I need to cut down on here a bit more. So just do it step by step. Use the scissors to trim it down, make sure it's very smooth, it's not going to cut you. And you're going to get these little scratchy bits, and then you're going to go, okay, I'm going to need to trim that a little more. Right, so you squeeze it to test out the shape. See, that's not giving much space, right? Because what we want is that spoon scoop shape from the top. Okay, so what you want to do is you go down like that, and then you just follow that around. And really you want this to gradually become level with the lowest part, so it becomes pretty much flat at the end. Fuck. Sweet as. Looks fine. That'd probably do the job. They don't have to be very complicated. Once again, going over the shape. So you've got your very rounded edge of your bottle, and you want to end up with this sort of point here, and then just a straight edge that goes down, and that's just straight down there. And so when you hold it, it becomes a tube. So just test out how it works with you. And then when you're holding this tube, you want this to be like a spoon shape. And you want this to curve up a little bit so it catches anything out the back, unlike the SheWee. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Good luck out there. Biology is against us, so we gotta get a bit creative, right? If you have any questions, I'm always down to chat. Like, subscribe, all that bullshit, right? I'm totally new. Happy camping!